Hi and welcome to another tutorial in Python for Intermediate series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to work with directories in Python. So here you can see the OS module documentation. So the OS module is the module that provides us with several useful methods that we can use to work with files and directories. So you can see here how this module works. And you can also see all kinds of examples. There is so much documentation that you can see it on your own. But let me just quickly show you a few examples to help you get started. So back to our program, let's start by importing the OS module. So import OS. Now to get the current working directory in Python, we can use the get current working directory method of the OS module. So we type print os.getcwd. So now let's run our program. And there you go, you can see the current working directory. So the current working directory is the directory that you are currently working in. Now imagine you want to create a new directory to store your files. For that, you can use the make directory method. So os.mkdir. Here you pass the name of the directory. So let me pass test. Let's run our program. Now we can see here that our new directory is created with the name test. So this method helps you to create new directories in Python. Now let's say you wanted the name of this directory to be test1 and not test. So how do we change it? This is very simple. You just type os.rename. So this renaming method can be used to change the name of an existing directory or a file. So os.rename, and here we pass two values. First we pass the name of the directory or the file whose name we want to change, and then we pass the name of the new directory. So os.rename test, test1. Now let's run our program. There you go, the name of our directory is changed. Now let's say you want to change the current working directory. For that, we simply type os.change directory and then pass the name of the directory in which we want to work. Like this, os.chdir, and inside the parenthesis type test1. So let's run our program, and there you go, our current working directory is changed. So another method I am going to show you is the list directory method. This method is very useful when you are working on large programs. So you want to know all the files and directories you are working with. So you can use the list directory method. Let me show you how. So here we type os.listdir. Now if you don't pass any value here, it will show you all the files in the current folder. So let's run our program, and there you go. Now let's pass the directory here and let's run our program once again. There you go. So one last method I am going to show you can be used to delete files and directories. So if you want to remove a file, then simply type os.remove and then pass the name of the file. So let's run our program. Now we can see that our file is deleted. Now let's delete this directory here. So to do this, we simply type os.rmdir and then pass the name of the directory. So let's run our program, and there you go, our directory is removed. Now note that this method works only for empty directories. So you can use this OS module to do so many useful things like create, rename and delete directories and files. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this intermediate series. Also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.